an impartial umpire, and the burden of this country rests on the soldiers of INEC. Now, you see, there are a lot of, maybe I wouldn't want to say misinformation. Sir, ADC, let me assure you, the beavers you are talking about, everything is there now. No, just hold on. The beavers, the accreditation number is in the beavers.
They are there. Show us.
The result that is scanned is in the beavers. Even whatever problem, on the strength of beavers, you can resolve it.
Correct.
Even without this wireless.
Correct.
Everything is there. But people will not check it and watch it.
But it's not being resolved, sir.
That is one. No, everything. Beavers in every polling unit has all the details.
It's true. It's true.
So number two, I have said that we are putting a safeguard that will ensure that what you send henceforth must tally with what you have in Iroele. And in fact, there are so many things you should not even be saying for now, because people are trying to study your system. But at the same time, what we have put in place is very simple. Beavers, on the strength of beavers, if people are not lazy, beavers will give you all the facts and figures that you need without even going anywhere. That is number one. Then number two is the fact that there's already a safeguard. All those that you are citing and whatever happened should not happen again. Because the essence of this safeguard is to ensure that whatever you are sending to Iroele must tally. If it doesn't tally, it will not go. And logistically, what we have done is to trade. Yes, I know there are a lot of manpower gap in terms of training of the ad hoc staff. And we are reviewing that. So there are so many things that we are trying to put in place so as to get the assurance. Right. But the problem we have is that there's complete lack of trust. And this is because there's no tradition. Amupitan should know that there are certain things he should not do. ADC should know that there are certain things they should not say. ADC should know that there are certain things you must not do. The president must know that there are certain things he must not do. Ministers or what, governors should know that tradition must evolve.
All right.
And so, please just give me 2 seconds. Timetable, sir. Timetable. INEC is as constrained as political parties. The reason being that the timeline was reduced. During the last AMAL FCT election in 2022, you will recall what happened. After the Electoral Act was released, then the next thing, interpretation. The election was conducted under the repeal 2010 election. But when it came to the swearing in, the act has come into place. Political parties are engaged with all of them, even media. And I lamented the problem we had, that if I didn't go to the press, and that section, that law did not come into effect, then we will not be able to issue any timetable. Because people will challenge it. I had to take a preemptive step, and we went to the press to declare the result. Because we don't know whether the National Assembly will be able to meet up. And we're having 360 days. If you don't release that timetable within the time, somebody will go to court and annul the whole process. And so what will be hope of Nigerian democracy?
Sorry, because of our time, we still have one more panel session, and we're totally...